Welcome to Shakes021 Gaming. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming content.
Perfect!
Today, we will review and unbox a dirt cheap gaming keyboard and mouse that I got for next to nothing. I have to admit, these items was a steal, especially if you are on a budget. The keyboard cost me 200 Rand at Soundtech and the mouse 50 Rand at Cash Crusaders, and yes, both these items are brand new. I would first like to confirm that these are not wireless, mainly for the amount paid for these goods. The keyboard has your usual layouts as expected on most keyboards, very close to the normal one. This keyboard also has 7 different colors once connected and it's very basic. The keyboard's lights does not flash or change its colors. Basically, once you plug it in and connect it, what you see is what you get. Let's go ahead and do a sound check just to confirm the click of the button. Looking at the back of the keyboard, it does not have your tiny stands to keep the keyboard up. However, the layout has a bulk hump at the back to keep it up on a slight stance. The brand name is Jite. Never heard from it before, but for the costs, it looks the part and it definitely does what it should. Moving on to the gaming mouse. Now here is where it actually gets very interesting, hey? Firstly, remember I paid 50 Rand for the value of this, which is amazing, and this is why. It comes with 7 changing colors, 4 buttons, and it has a very quick moving response on the screen. The size is perfect, not small or bulky in your hand. The mouse sensitivity is on point, and I am very impressed with the brand Jebson. So without any further ado, let's connect up both these items to confirm the display as advertised. Once again, for the total value of 250 Rand, I say it's a done deal. And yes, this channel is not sponsored by Soundtech or Cash Crusaders, but go ahead, check them out so that you can also purchase these items, mainly if the budget is tight. Do you guys think that gaming keyboard and mouse makes you a better gamer? Comment down below your answers.